going on, OC fam? I got another recipe for y'all today. It's gonna be shrimp tacos with pico de gallo and an avocadocrema. Right, so these are our ingredients for our shrimp tacos. Same for the shrimp. They packaged it up, they labeled it as I ordered it. We have 1 bunch of cilantro. That's 4 avocados. This is the Mexican cream. I like to buy tropical. I mean, it really doesn't matter to me which one I buy. When I'm in the mood for it, I just buy it. I don't know. The brand, it all tastes the same to me. Then we have 1 tomato for the pico de gallo onion, and I'm going to divide it between the pico de gallo for the tacos. Salad. We have some tortillas for our tacos. I have some pepper. And we also got the cumin, some onion powder. This is the spices for the shrimp. Chili powder. And instead of regular salt, I'm going to use some adobo. It'll have the salt and a little bit more of the spices to add to it. We're going to use a dry rub for the shrimps. We're going to saute them in the pan. Okay, so let's cut our ingredients. We are going to start off by cutting some of the vegetables. We don't need the limes. I got 5 limes for the shrimp and the octopus and the pico de gallo and the cream. All of that is going to come together. We are going to cut the cilantro. And we're going to divide all of this because the cilantro is going to go into a few things. So we cut the ends off, remove the little rubber band that the store puts on it. And what I like to do when I'm chopping it up, I take a little bunch like this and I like to roll it. It'll cut it. And then cut it. It'll just come out exactly the way you want. Roll it into a little ball. Keep rolling, right? Hold it right there. And then just, I don't know if y'all can see. Let me see. All right, there we go. Just start cutting. And then we got these little pieces of cilantro and everything all put together. And it's perfect. All right. This is 1 portion of cilantro for the pico de gallo. Use as much cilantro as you want. Some people don't even like cilantro. So if you don't like it, don't even use it. You go and make everything the way you like it. You know how Mrs. OC says, do it as you like. It's to your liking, y'all. So I'm going to take another bunch and cut another bunch for my cream. Look, I say in measurements, that is about a 1/2 cup of cilantro for the pico de gallo. I'm going to put the recipe below the video so you guys can read it in the description. I'm going to have all the measurements and everything. I don't measure too much, especially, I measure when I have the recipe prepared. But if it's a recipe that I'm just going to make for that day and I'm coming up with it, then yeah, I'm not really measuring. This is about 1/2 cup also. And this will go on top of the shrimp. I think that's enough for the shrimp to put on top of the tacos. We need a little bunch. I think I'm going to put them all in 1/2 cup. Just 1/2 cup for everything. A 1/2 cup for the pico, a 1/2 cup for the octopus salad, a 1/2 cup for the shrimp taco, and a 1/2 cup for the cream.
I've been missing the way.
Okay, so this large onion, what you want to do is you want to cut it in half. Well, you're going to peel it, of course. Cut it in half. And you want to dice it. It's for the pico de gallo and the octopus salad.
Hey, you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. I've been scrolling through the text messages you sent me, trying to fill the holes where you left me empty. And when I think about it, get a little emotional, knowing that we might never ever be close to loving. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Sober up, think it's time for me to sober up, 'cause I don't know what I should do without.
That's a lot of pico. So now we are going to put together our pico de gallo. I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Needy, too in love. Maybe I am just too in love. Baby, all I know is I can make you stay, but don't just walk away. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer.
I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, seeing you part, same outcome. Don't know how I treated you wrong. Maybe that's it. I treated you poorly, made you great coffee, hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things, busting up the seats. Now I just wanna go and rock things. Made a lot of greed, now I just wanna go shopping. I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, raindrops fall, sun goes by, whole new day, trying to get by, seeing you cry.
all night long. Yeah, we dance with our razor tongues and all day long. Yeah, we reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone time. Laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a.
Go to the shrimp. I peeled them. I don't devein them. I cook them just as is. Maybe if I get too big of a shrimp, I'll cut them in half. And these are medium-sized shrimp. I'm gonna leave them just the way they are. I'm gonna season them with spices. It's gonna be a dry rub, and we're gonna cook them in olive oil. Watch.
Holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. All night long. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long. Yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale, dreaming about summer nights with you. Sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
So next time on C-Fan, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified of my next video. And I hope y'all really enjoy this. So